How to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can withdraw money from Phantom Wallet. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to withdraw the money from Phantom Wallet, there is no direct way on how we can withdraw money from directly the Phantom app. So we need to use another wallet in order to withdraw money from it. So I'm going to use Binance for that. Simply open up the Binance application and make sure you have verified your account. If you have verified your account, you'll be able to see a deposit option on your home screen. And then there, choose deposit crypto. After that, choose the crypto that you would like to withdraw. After that, copy the address and get back to Phantom app. After that, simply tap on send here and select the token that you selected from Bitcoin as well. So let's say I selected this Bitcoin here, and here you just need to paste. And here you just need to paste the address that you just copied from your Bitcoin. Simply paste the address and tap on next. After doing so, just enter the amount that you would like to withdraw and tap on next. After your transaction is completed, you just need to open up your Binance app. Go to your Binance app and tap on this yellow box at the top. After getting here, simply tap on convert. After tapping on convert, here wait for it to load. And since we selected Bitcoin here on there, and since we selected Bitcoin on that app earlier, we're gonna choose Bitcoin, and we're gonna choose USDT here. And here, after that, here just convert the amount and get back. After getting back, simply tap on search here and go to more function, and here go to P2P bank transfer. So this is a function that you need to follow. Just go to P2P. Here on bank transfer, just withdraw the money from Phantom Wallet just like that. So therefore, by following this method, you can withdraw money from Phantom Wallet. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.